So I've been looking for a handlebar bag. And I finally found one. I had my eye on a Salsa front handlebar bag that I saw at my local bike shop several months ago, but by the time I went back there, they were all sold out of them. But I was lucky to have found this Chrome Industries Holman Handlebar bag for $45 at my local REI. So I figured now that the gift giving season is well underway, and if anyone was looking for a small everyday carry handlebar bag, I didn't see any other videos on YouTube about this, so I figured I'd do a little up close and personal on this particular bag. All right, first and foremost, I gotta say, I'm definitely not a review guy. Heck, I'm barely even a video guy making videos, so I'll do my best at reviewing this thing. But like I was saying, I haven't seen any other videos on YouTube. I scrolled back pretty far. There's a lot of Chrome bags that are on there, but I did not specifically see this Holman handlebar bag. I was looking for a small handlebar bag for my small little DJI Nero drone that I picked up this past January, that I wanted somewhere safe and convenient for me to get that drone out while out on rides making videos, or you know, just to have it along to use it. And it'd make it a lot easier. I have been using a Revel 8 Designs spine lock rear seat bag. It's a fantastic bag, but it's gigantic for just that purpose, and not super convenient because, you know, you need to roll it up, and this is just a zipper to get it open. But yeah, with all that being said, let's take a little closer look at this Holman handlebar bag. Again, I got this from my local REI. This is the only color they had in stock. I do see they have a black that you can order online, but I do quite like this gray. This is a 3-liter handlebar bag, 18.3 cubic inches, made out of 600 denier recycled polyester for the liner, and a 150 denier recycled polyester exterior. It's 8 inches by 5 inches by 4 inches, 6.7 ounces, and it carries everything I need it to carry and more. So, as you saw earlier, it does have a front expandable, and I say expandable because of this, the way this is sewn, front Velcro pocket that easily holds an iPhone. You could probably fit 3 iPhones in there if you needed to. The interior, here's why I got this thing, to fit my DJI Nero drone. It easily fits that. Now on the interior, try and get a shot here. There are 2 mesh pockets. If we can get a good view of that, with an elastic band along the top. Now this does have a YKK zipper. It is not a waterproof bag, but I will say in the last month that I've been using this bag, I've been in a lot of rain lately. It's that rainy fall season, commuting back and forth to work or just on daily rides. And you know, spending an hour, 2-3 hours in the rain, light rain, not a heavy driving rain, and everything on the interior of the bag has stayed dry. If I was, you know, bike touring or something like that, and you wanted a waterproof bag, this wouldn't be it. But for an everyday carry, my intended purpose, it's perfect. It works great. I love it. So it does have 2 nylon straps for the handlebar, with a daisy chain for width adjustment here to go around other bags or cables or what have you. And there is a quick release buckle on both of these Here's the bag off the bars, and here's the daisy chain that you can adjust the straps to whatever width you need. And there's also a adjustable bungee cord that goes around the head tube to keep it from flopping around. Nice, small, simple, well made. I highly recommend. Hat, pair of gloves, readers, everything you need. So anyway, just wanted to share that. Hopefully it answered some questions. If anyone's ever seen that on the REI website and was wondering what it looked like, what it could carry, there it is. And that is the chrome Holman handlebar bag. Well, until the next one, guys, peace. Who put that in there?